Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the way that you can upload a video to YouTube from your phone. If you have a YouTube channel and you're trying to upload it without having to use your laptop, let me show you the process on how it's done. Open up the YouTube app. Once you're inside of the YouTube app, make sure that it is the correct channel by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right, and it's going to show you the channel name. Once you confirm that it is the channel, tap on the plus icon that you see on the middle on the bottom. Once you're inside of this section, in order to add a YouTube video, you can tap on the add option that is showing on the left hand side. Either you're trying to upload a YouTube short or a normal sized video, you can choose the options, either the video option or the short option. Once you selected your video type, tap on add and then select the video you're trying to upload. Once you've selected the video that you want to upload and it is properly displaying on the preview section, you can now add in other things such as adding in the sound, text, or you can also trim the video by tapping on the trim option right here. Once all of that is done and you like how the video looks, you can tap on next. Lastly, you'll need to add in a caption, so just type in or paste in the caption if you have already written one. And you can also add in a custom thumbnail by tapping on the pencil icon. Once all of that is done, you can just tap on upload video or upload short. And just like that, your video is now starting to upload and will be uploaded in a few seconds. So that was the process on how you can upload a video to YouTube from your phone. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.